In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Budget Truck Rental. First, open the Budget Truck Rental website. You can do this on any device, whether it's a mobile phone or a computer. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface with options for making a reservation. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your rental process. You want to ensure that you are on the correct website, as this will help in avoiding any fraudulent sites. Once you are on the site, you will feel reassured that you're taking the correct first step. Next, start a new reservation by entering your pickup and drop-off locations. You can enter the city, state, or even a specific address. After that, specify your rental dates and times. These details are important because they help determine the availability of trucks for your needs. As you input this information, take a moment to double-check for accuracy. This will ensure that your reservation goes smoothly and you secure the truck you need for your move. On the reservation page, locate the promotion code or discount code section. This area is usually found just before you click on Find Your Truck. It is often highlighted or marked to catch your attention. Finding this section is vital as it is where you will apply your coupon code. Remember, this step is essential for maximizing your savings. Knowing where to input the code saves you time later and ensures you don't miss out on discounts. Now, enter your coupon or promotional code in the designated field. Make sure to type it in exactly as it appears, including any capital letters or special characters. This little detail is crucial because even a small mistake can prevent the discount from being applied. Once you input the code, take a moment to verify it. This will help avoid any issues later on, ensuring that your savings are applied correctly. Continue with your reservation and select your truck. You will be presented with a list of available trucks that meet your criteria. Here, you can choose the size and type of truck that best suits your needs. This step is important because selecting the right truck can make your moving experience much easier. You want to ensure that the truck you choose has enough space for your belongings. After making your selection, review your reservation details before completing your booking. Take a close look at the date, time, locations, and of course the applied coupon discount. This review is essential because it allows you to confirm that everything is in order. It helps to ensure that you are not overlooking any important details that could affect your rental experience. Once you are satisfied with the information, you can proceed to finalize your reservation. Note that some coupon discounts may not appear in the online reservation total. This can happen, especially if your coupon has specific terms and conditions. If your coupon meets all those requirements, the discount may be applied when you pick up or return your truck. Understanding this is crucial as it sets the right expectations for your rental process. Also, keep in mind that only one offer code or coupon can typically be applied per reservation. This means if you have multiple coupons, you will need to choose the one that provides the best discount. Being aware of this limitation can save you time and confusion. With that said, you are now equipped to apply a coupon code in Budget Truck Rental. Following these steps ensures you can save money on your rental. Happy moving!